bay, lain lang isula sa plato pa kay sila la pakuha. Alum. Gi kaog mayo. Lami.
Annyeonghaseyo, April. Okay, so why you were absent?
Nakadungay ko ang mata siya. Lagi mo pa kong assignment pag-gabi.
Diba, kanang we already have talked about it before kay most of your absences is dili ka kamata kay kanang unsa na di ka kamata. So diba niingon ko nga mag-alarm ta nya gabi pa ko like sayo ko sa gabi nag-ingon nga sayo ta magklase nya your class supposedly for today is 9:30. So murag udto na kay nastanan ba nya I already have told you before na mag-alarm mo kung ting klase. Kay what if ako lang dawaton nga ingon ana inyong rason nga wala mo kamata. Yang uban mo sunod sad ang irason pud is wa mo kamata. So daghan na kay mo sunod na ingon ana wa mo kamata. Nya it's also a self-discipline for you to have an alarm kay naa kay responsibility by tomorrow. So it's actually not the first time na we already have talked about it. Kay naapog kay mga absences even the other months na wa ka kamata. Ana nya naabi kay cellphone, right? Where's your cellphone? Oh, so you have cellphone. So what's the use of alarm? Yeah, this is not the first time pag yun na I told you to have alarm. Kay mao na imong always reason is dili ka kamata. So this is actually your second absences for this month of February. You were actually absent February 5. I think ang imong reason sa ato is wa ka kamata. Basta most of your absences previous month pa. Even those other previous month pag yun is dili ka kamata. Nya, you actually have your phone with you. Nya, you're the only student na di ka mata. It's either di ay si Lorimil or ikaw ang dili ka mata kung naay klase. Nya, knowing biya nga second absent every month will be a warning video. Kay balo ka na wala. And also, I have problems when it comes you studying in the study room and always laughing. Kanang sige lang kag katawa. Not just once, not just twice, a lot of times. Bisang katuna pa si Teacher Marlisa, magtudlo kay masigi kag ngisi. Even Teacher Marlisa complained nga masigi lang kag katawa diri sa study room, masigi lang kag ngisi together with your classmates, yung seatmates. Madaan na lang po, masigi na lang po ngisi. Yeah, the last time na you were laughing with your seatmates is when you were reading Vision and Mission. Then I actually told you not to laugh, but you did it again. That I did second warned you, but you still laughing while reading the Vision and Mission. So it's actually almost muskwila mo ato kay magsigila mo ning ngisihay. Wa ko kay ba og what's funny. So this is actually your warning if imo pa ning pun-an this February nga mo absent ka. So you will no longer be kanang interviewed, but you will automatically be eliminated at the study room because that's the rule. Ha, April? So, unsa pa may imong isulti? Okay, so next time have your alarm on. Okay, you have your own cell phone. Yeah, this is not actually the first time na di ka kamata. Nya na atay cellphone. We can do alarm. Natay kauban sa balay ngano di man ta makamata. Why Chandria can do it? Ngano si Chandria makamata man? Why man Chandria don't have any issues when it comes to coming to study room niya? Wala lagi siya reason nga dili siya kamata. Okay, so this is actually a warning, and if you will gonna do it again, so you will be automatically eliminated at the study room. Okay? So thank you for coming.
Since weekend, Hyacinth helps me to wash the clothes. She's responsible enough to help me as my household chores every weekend. She is the younger sister of the family, and she is the only one who helps me for my household chores. She is responsible enough to do good things for the family and helps help me to avoid tardiness of mother. Char.
Annyeonghaseyo students. Annyeonghaseyo. Okay, for this morning, I will read a short story entitled Respect Old Age or Pagrespetar or Pagtawad sa mga tigulang. This story will teach us a moral lesson. Once there lived a poor man who had to support his family. So, may usa ka tigulang nga nagpuyo nga kabus sa nanginhanglan sa suporta sa iyang pamilya. The members of which hot-headed wife who were predominated over the will of his husband. So, ang membro kuno sa pamilya, ang asawa, mainiton kay ulo, permi niya ipatigbabaw ang desisyon sa iyang bana, ang kagustuhan sa iyang bana. A small boy, often an old 80 years old grandfather. Usa ka gamay nga bata nag-edad og 10 years old ug ang tigulang nga iyang lolo 85 years old. The age of a man could not work because of his feebleness. Ang tigulang kuno dili na makatrabaho tungod sa iyang kaluyahon. He was the cause of many quarrels between the husband and the wife, but was loved by their son. Usa siya kuno sa hinungdan nga permi kuno maglalis or mag-away ang managtiayon apan ang tigulang gihigugma sa ilang anak. One day, rainy morning, the husband was forced by his wife to send his father away. So